Good morning, everyone. It is our first full day in New York. Is this considered day one, day two? I don't know. Yesterday, the last vlog that you saw was our day getting here, like arriving and spending like the afternoon in our first night here. But today is our first full day, and as you saw in that opening clip, we've got the most beautiful view of like the skyline, New York. Oh my God, I'm just so excited. We are getting ready. It's Raph's birthday today. I'm so excited for him. I'm already saying happy birthday. Today is June 4th. I know right now we're getting ready to go to breakfast, and I think we're gonna go to this place that's really close to where we're staying. It's called Fiat Cafe. The food just looks very good. We looked at the menu online and it looks awesome. So we're very excited to go there. We're both still very tired. My legs hurt and Raph didn't sleep that good last night. So we don't know what's gonna happen, but anyways, I'll take you with me and I'll let you know when we get to the cafe. Thought I'd give you a little fit check this morning for New York day one. What would you say, babe? Is it New York?
Day two.
Day two?
Yeah.
Okay.
Day one.
So day two. So I've got my Burberry shorts on. I've got this black tank top from Urban Outfitters. I've got my white button down from Aritzia, and then I've just got my Celine sneakers back on because these are really comfy. So yeah, that's the fit today, and I'm carrying my black Chanel again today. Very nice. All right, you guys, first off, we came to this Fiat Cafe. I've already taken a bite and I forgot to film. I got basically eggs Benedict, but instead of, I got salmon. So it's English muffin, salmon, poached egg, and hollandaise. So good. And then Raph got French toast. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You guys, we found the Empire State Building. I think we need tickets to go in, but we're gonna head that way, I think. I don't even know what's inside the Empire State Building. What's inside?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I guess we'll find out. This was, without a doubt, the best ramen I've ever had. Apparently, Ichiran is like #1 in Japan, and it's the #1 here too because it's like straight from Japan. So I understand why. It was so good, so good. So I got mine mild spicy this time. So I think next time I'll just do like regular spicy because I do like it. But it was fantastic. I think now we're gonna find a dessert spot. I'm gonna decide on that. We came to this little bakery and like cafe, and it's very cute because we got this lemonade tart, really adorable. So we're gonna try that and see how that is. But yeah. We've come to this really cute Italian cafe. It's called Cafe Roma. We had to go back to the hotel for a few hours and like take a nap because we were so exhausted. I'm very backlit right now, so I apologize for the lighting, but I think after this we're gonna go back to the hotel again, and Raph is gonna do a birthday stream, so that's gonna be exciting. But yeah, I'm gonna get my coffee. All right, you guys, we're back in the hotel now for good. We're so tired, and I think we are going to just kind of hang out and watch a bit of Daredevil and call it a night, and that will be our day 2 vlog in New York City. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3, and today we are in Greenwich Village. Well, not for the whole day, but right now we're in Greenwich Village, and we went to Cafe Kitsune for the first time. It was so good, and I got a cafe au lait, and me and Raph both got a cafe au lait, but I think they did his wrong, so I don't really actually know what he ended up getting. But I got a cafe au lait, and then I got basically like a chocolate croissant. It was very, very good, and I really freaking love Greenwich Village a lot. It is so cute. It reminds me of Europe. Hello.
Hi.
It reminds me so much of Europe. So I'll do like some b-roll and stuff so I can show you what the places look like the houses and stuff. So yeah, I honestly don't even know what there is to do here after like cafes and eating. So we're just gonna look around now and walk. But yeah, I'll take you with me today. You guys, do you recognize this building right here? This, my friends, is the Friends building. This is where it was filmed. Right now, below it is this little, I think it's a bakery, like a cafe, the Little Owl. They don't have Central Perk here anymore. I don't even know if it was really actually here, if it was just for the show, but yeah, there is the Friends building. So freaking cute. I love Greenwich Village so much. It is so adorable. Look at this. It is just so cute, you guys. Apparently, Raph look at that. Babe, look, turn around. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Raph Googled it, and apparently Greenwich Village is the best place to be for artists. So it's awesome. We've come into Lombardi. Is that right? Lombardi now, which is like apparently America's first Italian pizza place, and it's 1905. It's very, very old. It's famous. So we're eating here, very excited. Raph thought we were gonna have to wait like at least an hour, but we got here like really close to after they opened, so we got sat immediately. So it was great. So I'll show you the pizza pie when it comes out. Oh my god, you guys! We got just a regular margherita, and it's beautiful, are you joking? And we also found that our server is also from Sicily, of all places. How cool is that? Every time we're around Little Italy, I always ask people if they speak Italian, so this is great. Let's try this. That's very, oh my god, that's very good. Oh my god, that's so good. We've made it to Times Square, y'all. We're like close to it, yeah?
It was so cool.
Wow. Alright, let's go. is our last stop for the day. We're heading home, we're so tired, but we came to 375 chicken and fries. And this is probably some of the best chicken I've ever had in my entire life.
It's very good.
It is so good, like holy crap. And then I've got fries in here, got chips in there, and then yeah, it's so good. Highly recommend.